Hi there. Are you ready to learn about a hearing test? We are going to show you how we check a child's hearing, so keep watching. Welcome to the audiology clinic. Your audiologist will call your name so you can get started. Your audiologist will take you through different games so they can learn all about your ears. The audiologist will use a special flashlight to look in your ears. I hope you aren't hiding any broccoli in there. The audiologist is looking to see if there is anything in front of, or behind, your eardrum. Now the fun begins and it is time to play. You will get to pick a fun toy to play with. The audiologist will show you how to play the listening game. Hayden has chosen to play with the stacking ice cream cones. Doesn't it look fun? First, the audiologist will put soft, squishy headphones over your ears, so you can hear all the sounds. When you hear a sound, maybe a beep or a bird chirp, you'll do something special like put a block in the bucket, stack ice cream, or feed the toy animal. Every time you hear a sound, you get to play. That's how we learn what sounds you can hear. Parents, conditioned play audiometry is safe, painless, and fun. It's designed for children around 2 to 5 years old. The game helps us understand how your child hears different tones and volumes, one ear at a time. Your calm encouragement makes a big difference. Your child will follow your lead, so get excited. If your child is unable to complete this type of testing, don't worry. There are other options to try. We can adjust testing methods to accommodate all children. Next up, we will see how your eardrum moves. This test is super easy because you don't have to do anything. Just freeze like a statue. The audiologist will place a squishy earbud in your ear. The earbud will give your ear a little squeeze, just like a hug. Your ear will draw a picture with our machine. Will your ear draw a mountain or a line? Let's look together. Our last test uses the same squishy earbud. It also uses a music player. You will hear robots singing songs. Sit still and quiet so you can hear the robots sing. Count how many notes the robots sing on the screen. Now the work is done. You finished your hearing test, and you did great. Awesome job today. After the test is finished, the audiologist will review all the test results with the patient and their parent. The audiologist is happy to answer any questions you may have, and will let you know next steps. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the clinic.